From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 10th, 2016. In a moment, we'll be taking a look at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. But first, I want to recap the trade suggestions made over the past couple of days. First off, starting here on the USDJPY, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, we could see this continuing to rise over the past couple of days. A few days ago, the suggestion was to buy the US yen on a dip into the green shaded area down here towards the bottom of the chart. If I zoom out to the daily real quick, you can see that range, the black box that you see down here at the bottom right hand corner of the chart, that range developed and we began looking for opportunities to go long and buy at the very bottom of that box. Back down to the 4-hour time frame, again, there's that green shaded area, there's the black box that you can see here, buying down there towards the 112.35, 30 level, you can see has continued to pay profit as it continues to move back higher. Currently sitting with about 150 pips of profit on the current remaining position for the trade. Closed a good deal of profit here into the orange shaded area. Now looking for the next target towards the yellow zone, the 114 level. Anything above that will just be continued profit as it continues to rise higher. And of course, locking in profit as we go. Currently locked in with 100 pips of profit. I cannot lose on the trade. Currently locked in 100 pips of profit on the trade and continue to follow profit as it goes higher. Moving over to the GBP USD, Great British Pound versus the US dollar. Yesterday, we had a sell limit into the green shaded area. I put a sell limit up here. You can still see it sitting on the chart right now in the middle of the green zone. Never went up quite high enough to take that sell in. The high of this little red candle right here was right around the 1.4239 level, and I had my entry at 1.4240. So it missed me by about a pip, maybe 2 pips, taking me in and now going down as expected. So unfortunately, missed taking me in. If you happen to get in that, if your brokerage data feed clocked it up there into 42.40, then you may already be in this. I would suggest protecting profit as it approaches the support zone into the 41.40 level. You're sitting nearly 100 pips of profit now. So unfortunately, didn't take me in on my data feed, but if you got in, protect profit as it continues to pressure down. Moving on over to the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Of course, we have a cut of interest rates out of New Zealand yesterday, which has now caused this to go back down. Really shouldn't be a surprise for you. If you've been in the live trade room, we've been discussing the blue shaded area at the top of the chart from the weekly time frame as a significant resistance level and the beginnings of a potential reversal for this currency pair. With the interest rate news, we do see it starting to move down. So with this currency pair, with that cut of interest rates, I'm looking for selling opportunities on rallies into resistance. Now, we need to be a little bit careful for the timing of this. We don't want to get in too soon before it really finds resistance and starts to go back down. You could be looking at the orange shaded area here in the middle of the chart, right around the 66.60 level. We've seen some congestion, resistance, and support around there. I think much better suited for this would be back up here towards the pink shaded area. We're looking at 67.40, 67.65. We can just go back just a little ways and see the resistance back here on the left-hand side of the most recent highs. So these resistance give me a little bit more hope for resistance back up here, 67.35, 67.65, the pink shaded area. Now, it may not make it back up there, and that's for sure. With that cut, we may just see it continue to pressure lower. The orange zone may be the last resistance we see for some time before continuing that downside pressure. The next thing we'll be looking for also would be the breakdown of the yellow shaded area. So for the day today, I'm looking for a rally. I'm looking for it to jump back up a little bit before going back down. 4-hour time frame doesn't really change it, just shows us a little bit of a difference here. We do see it holding inside the orange shaded area. Did not, of course, yet make it back up to the pink zone. There's the fall that began. A little bit of retracement here into the 66.80 level. So again, if you're going to be a little bit more of a risk taker, not so conservative, it's possible that you're looking for a sell here into the orange zone, target the yellow zone, and then on down beyond that, you go down here towards this green shaded area into the mid to low 6,500. So orange shaded area, a little bit more aggressive, pink shaded area, a little bit more conservative for trading a sell on the New Zealand dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.